In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sort settings of year and month columns in Power BI. When you're working with time fields like month and year, alphabetical sorting usually isn't what you want. For example, April shouldn't come before February just because A comes before F. Power BI lets you control the order by telling one column to sort based on another, such as sorting month by a month number column. Here's how to do that clearly and reliably. Start by switching to the table view on the left bar. This view lets you work directly with your model's data, making it easy to select the exact column you want to adjust. If you're in report view, you won't see the options we need, so make sure you're in table view first. Now, look to the right side of the screen and find the data pane. From there, select the table that contains your month or year column. This could be your date table or any table where those fields live. Selecting the correct table is important because the sort operation applies to the specific column inside that table. Next, click on the header of the month or year column you want to sort. You're selecting the column itself, not filtering or sorting the data grid. You should see that column become highlighted, which tells Power BI you're about to change its properties. As soon as the column is selected, the ribbon will automatically switch to the Column Tools tab. There, you'll see a button labeled Sort by Column. This is the control that determines which column provides the order for the one you selected. Click Sort by Column. You'll see a list of other columns you can sort by. By default, a column is sorted by itself, which is why month names often appear alphabetically. Simply choose a different column that represents the correct order, such as a month number or a full date column. As soon as you select it, Power BI updates the sort order for that field across your model. So visuals using month or year will follow the new sequence. If you don't see column tools, double check that a single column is selected. And remember, the sort by column should already exist and contain values that represent the correct order. That's all. With just a few clicks, you've set a clean, logical order for your month or year, and your visuals will now display time the way people naturally read it.